first blood pressure.
She really looks just like Emma when she's got her face
See
away.
how tiny she is?
And you know what her name is?
Oh, we decided you're original Emma.
And she's baby Emma.
Oh, that's a good idea.
We don't know yet.
Jen, that's just blowing up your blood pressure. Every 15 minutes.
Come here, sweetheart.
Congratulations, big sister.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
We have something special for you. We'll be right back.
Oh boy!
Thank you. Isn't it exciting? Her eyes were open before.
Did she cry yet?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah?
She cried when she
In
came
her
out.
hand.
She didn't even have to get a spanking.
Are you so excited?
Honey, you finally got a sister, and it's not a puppy. It's not a puppy.
Sit right there. There's 3 of you.
Oh, you know what? The nurse comes back in.